guys, Tav HD here and welcome back to another video, and today we are doing an unboxing of the Samsung Essential Curved Monitor CF396, and this is a 24-inch monitor. It's 1080p Full HD. It's curved, as you can see there, curved. Got quite a nice curve to it. It is 1800R. It's a super slim design and apparently an immersive gaming experience with FreeSync technology. I've already got one of these monitors on my desk and I really like it. So I got another one because it was in the sale at only £99. So let's unbox this here today. This exact same image is on the other side, so I don't need to show you that. So now let's get straight on with the unboxing. So good to see that the tape has not already been cut. That shows that no one's been in here yet, so I'll just cut the tape. There we go, the tape has now been cut. We can open up the box here and see what we've got inside. So first off, when you open the box, it gives you a few instructions. It tells you where the control stick is. It also tells you how to use the basic functions of the monitor. It's all quite straightforward when you know how it works. Okay, here we go. I've got a higher angle now so we can take a look at everything that's in here. So first off, here is the charger. Now I actually thought that this came in packaging, but this looks like it's already been used, so that might be a problem. I'll go along with it for now, but that could be a problem and I might have to discuss that with Currys. So we also get a figure of 8 power cable to go into that transformer. Energy rating here, not that we really need to know about that. Then we also get a HDMI cable included and another power adapter for EU countries. We also get the manual and drivers in there as well. Now we also get the bottom of the stand here, and we also get another part of the stand. This is all fairly straightforward to put together. Then under here will be the monitor itself. Okay, so now let's lift up this polystyrene here and take a look at the monitor itself. And right, this does not look right. All the packaging is kind of shredded and I'm not sure if it's really meant to be like that. I don't remember my other one being like that when I bought that. So now I'll just try and get the display itself out of here and we can then attach the stand. Okay, so first off we're going to need this bit of the stand. So I'll take this out of the packaging and then it just slots into there. Now this is glossy, so it will pick up fingerprints, which is kind of a shame, but there's not really much we can do about that. It's just going to slot into there. It only goes in one way, so you can't really do this bit wrong. And then just apply some force. And there we go. It's now attached to there. So here we go, I've got the base of the stand. I've just taken all the plastic off that. And we're going to line up that little screw in there with the hole on here, and then it should just screw on. So let's line that up. Now I'll have to move the monitor over the edge of my desk to do this. And now we can hopefully line this up, slide it in there, and then we are going to need to screw this. Now you may need to use a screwdriver for this because this does need to go quite tight to stop the monitor from falling off the stand. But I think that I can do it just enough now with my nail. But there we go, I've just screwed that on now, so we should be able to put the monitor upright and take a look. Okay, so here's my other monitor that's the same. I've just got it connected up to my computer so it's easier than having to plug my laptop into the other one. I just want to show you the on-screen controls. So what we're going to do is just click in on the joystick and that brings up this menu. Now from there we can turn on iSaver mode, we can go down and turn it off, we can change the source, or we can go up to menu. And when we're in the menu, from here we can change the brightness, contrast, sharpness and the colours and things like that. We can also change the settings of the on-screen display. We can also look at all the system settings. We can turn on eco mode, we can turn a timer on, we can turn on FreeSync from there as well. We can also go to information and look at the information about our monitor. So that is really all you need to know about this. So I think that that's everything you need to know about this monitor. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.